Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick review of this interior pod kit that I found on this website, modelermagic.com. This kit is put out by Larson Lunar Models, and this is basically the interior of a Space 1999 Eagle pod with chairs and computer screens and etc. So let's take a look. Okay, if you guys have been following my videos, you know that I previously reviewed another interior pod modification from Century Castings, and here it is here. Okay, I haven't finished it, obviously. It's just sitting in there in its proper spots. And this one, like I said, is from Larson Lunar Designs. This one's a little cast in white. The one nice thing I like about this is the floor is already one piece. So the ramps are already built in. These end doors are full width, so they fit completely the width of both ends. Look at the detail of that computer panel. I mean, this is really nice. So definitely have a chance to paint that up really well. That's really nice. That is a major plus on this one. The door panels are nicely done as well. You've got basically where the spacesuits go, and the TV screen, and you got the other side for that. This one comes with a one chair piece, and basically you place this in and then you eyeball where you want to put the chairs. Obviously the last chair goes on the end of the wall, and this middle one you just sort of eyeball, glue it in. Here's a wall panel also. Those are supposed to be lit lights. And I did notice this is the perfect width for my empty pod, but it is just slightly too long. So I'm going to just have to shave down both ends just a hair. And right now I'm not sure if I'm supposed to build this completely and then fit it in, which I might try doing that, or if I should put the floor in and then build on it. I'm not sure. It's not going to be, you know, too many gaps on here. These seem to fit. I mean, yeah, you'll have a slight seam, but they seem to fit pretty well. Maybe I'll figure out which pieces. Maybe just these four pieces, because of having to fill in seams and paint that. Maybe I'll put that in first and then put the floor in, and then connect these or something like that. We'll see. For right now, I like the fact that Century Castings gave you an option of 2 seating modules or 1 seating area and the computer. So what I'll probably end up doing is having this one have 2 seating areas. And she already experimented with this one. Have 2 seating areas, and I think that's how the VIP Eagles are set up, where you have more seating for more people. I'm not sure. Either way, they were 2 different configurations at least of chairs on both sides, or a computer and chairs. So I'm gonna probably just put chairs in this one, since this one has the more detailed computer screen. I'll put that one, that option, or not option, but I'll use this one to show that off. So they're both good kits. I mean, this has, like I said, a slight advantage that this piece is already molded. The ramp is already one uniform piece, so that kind of makes it easier, instead of you having to fit the ramp and then put in the pieces. So alright, I hope that helps. Very awesome kits, both of these, and I will do them up and maybe do a slight color variations on them as well. But look forward to finishing this, but not in a big hurry. Gotta take my time. This is too nice to mess it up. All right, guys. Till next time.